Tapping into a mobile device's camera opens up a world of possibilities for Thunkable creators. In this tutorial, we'll add the functionality to an app to record a video with the device's camera. In the Record Video section of this maintenance request app, there is a video component that acts as a frame to display the video the user takes with the device's video camera. 2 buttons, one to activate the front camera and another to activate the back camera, and a label component that will display any necessary error messages. The label's default visibility setting is invisible. We'll use the blocks to make the label visible in the event of an error. Okay, let's add the functionality to the app. Click blocks in the upper left or press the T key on your keyboard. Click the back camera button name in the component tree and drag the When button back camera click block and drag it into the workspace. Click camera under app features. We'll use the untimed video recording block for this app, but there is also a block for timed recordings that you can use to limit the video duration. Drag the video file from recording block into the workspace. Right-click on the block, select Show Advanced Block, and connect it to the button click block. Ensure the camera choice front or back matches the button click block. The advanced version of the Record Video block has 2 outputs, video file and error. Video file is the video taken by the device's camera and error signals when an error occurred. Click Control, drag the if, do, else block, and nest it within the video block. Drag the error output block and place it next to if. Click the error label in the component tree. Drag the Set Label Video Errors Visibility to block and drop it next to do. Use the drop-down menu to select True. Copy and paste this block and nest it below. Use the drop-down menu to change the property to the video error label's text. Drag the error output block and replace the pink label block. Now, click the video component in the component tree. Drag the Set Videos Video 2 block and drop it next to else. The Record Video block activates the device's camera to take a video, so we could simply drag the video file output to complete this block combination. But because we want to save the video for an extended period, we need to upload it to Cloudinary, a service that allows you to store media files in the cloud. If you use Thunkable's default Cloudinary database, your files will be deleted after 90 days, so we recommend connecting your project to your own Cloudinary account to keep your media safe. To upload the video taken by the device to Cloudinary, click Files, drag the URL from Uploaded File block and drop it next to the Set Videos Video 2 block. Nest the video file block within the file upload block. This is the block combination for when the back camera button is clicked. Click the When button click block and use copy and paste keyboard shortcuts to duplicate the block combination. Use the drop-down menus to change the When button click block from the button back camera to button front camera, and the video file block from back camera to front camera. We can test it using the web preview, but because the app accesses the device's video camera, we can test it using the web preview. But it's best to live test on your device because the app accesses the device's video camera. Click one of the video buttons. You may need to authorize the app to access your device's camera and microphone. Record the video. Great. The recorded video is available in the video component and ready to submit with the maintenance request. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out our other tutorials and Thunkable Academy courses. And remember, innovation should have no limits.